Hi everybody, Jesse Jackhammer here, and welcome to this fatal four-way battle royal. We have Jesse Jackhammer versus Dave in real life versus Wrestling Revolution Keaton and versus Whisperienced. This is gonna be one heck of a match, folks. Dave gets punched in the back. Jesse Jackhammer hits him in the back of the head. Oh, Dave hits Jesse Jackhammer now. Jesse Jackhammer reverses it. DDT to Dave in real life. Jesse Jackhammer gets Dave up now. Goes for an armbar. And it's locked in. Dave is in serious. Dave is in some pain there, but he managed to get out of it. Oh, what a kick to the gut. To Keaton. The Wrestling Revolution Keaton. Oh, Keaton's in. Still in. Oh, he misses. Misses springboard move. Oh, connects with an elbow. He throws Keaton into the corner. Falls it down. Gets back up on his feet. Jesse turns his attention now back to Dave. Oh, Whisperienced has Dave now. It's going back and forth here, folks. Jesse Jackhammer now has Dave in an armbar again. Dave's in serious pain again. But he manages to survive that. Will Jesse Jackhammer be able to get rid of Dave in real life? Dave in real life over the top rope. He punched. Oh, he hits him. Oh, he's trying to get rid of Dave. But Dave has Jesse Jackhammer over the top rope. But Jesse Jackhammer is back in. Oh, punch. Elbows to the gut. Whisperienced is down. Jesse Jackhammer hits him. Tries to get him over the top. Throws him into the corner. Oh, Jesse Jackhammer is down. He's still down, but he gets back up. Grabs Whisperienced. Punches him in the back. Throws him into the turnbuckle. Say hello to the top turnbuckle. That was from Blaze on his channel. Check him out if you haven't already. Oh, Wrestling Revolution Keaton is gone. Oh, Dave in real life has been eliminated too. 2 men have been eliminated already. Wrestling Revolution Keaton and Dave in real life. Neckbreaker to Whisperienced. Oh, Whisperienced has his leg. Down goes Jackhammer. Down goes Jesse Jackhammer. Oh, he misses the DDT. Are we gonna see it? Are we gonna see his finishing move? And we are. Here we go. Is he gonna hit it? He has Whisperienced up. Down he goes for the Jackhammer. Moonsault connects to Whisperienced, is down and out. But he's still flying. He's not getting up. He's still on the ground. Oh, kick to the knee. Kick to the head by Whisperienced. Jesse Jackhammer now throws Whisperienced into the turnbuckles. Whisperienced is still down. He's not getting up. He's still down on the mat. Can Whisperienced get up? And he does. Oh, What a move by Jesse Jackhammer. He's gonna throw Whisperienced over the top now. Oh, an elbow to the face. He punches Whisperienced, throws him over, and he's eliminated. Here's your winner, Jesse Jackhammer. And don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos, guys. Bye for now.